Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life, and today I'm just going to tell you some tips about how to care for cacti during the rains. Now most of these cacti are spending their first rainy season with me. So I guess they're excited, but I'm equally not so excited because water happens to be a greatest enemy, you can say, of cacti and succulents. So there are these points that I'm just going to tell you about, which you can keep in your mind while dealing with cacti plants during the rainy season. So here we start. As you all know that cacti are plants which has this fleshy kind of parts which store water in them. So if they have water within themselves, and also if they are experiencing heavy rainfall upon them, there are chances that they may just burst and melt away. So watering is very important during the rainy season. The pointer here is you will have to identify which is your hardy cactus plant, which will survive the rain if you keep it outdoors and it experiences this heavy rainfall upon them. As you observe this cacti, you might have noticed that they are completely dry. I have not watered them since the beginning of June, because in June month and even in this month of July we have been experiencing heavy rainfall. So this growth that you have seen, or you might have noticed that there is new growth as a lighter shade of green, is all because of the humidity levels in the garden and not because of me watering them. This is a pencil cactus plant that I have. Now this is a very hardy plant. This is getting the full rains. So I have not even bothered to get it indoor. Now what is a pointer here? Why am I not bothered? Because I have used excellent soil mix for this plant. That means I have used well draining soil. So even if it gets heavy rainfall, the soil would directly release the excess water from the pot. So is this a fishbone cactus plant that I have. This is also a hardy plant. So this is completely outdoors. I have not bothered to check about how it is surviving in the rain, but you can see there's a lot of new growth for this plant. But if you're unsure, you're not sure, just get them indoors and protect them from the rains. Another pointer is many a times we grow succulents in small pots which do not have a drainage hole. Now in that circumstance, you are not keeping them outdoor to experience the heavy rain. But by chance it does happen, please do not forget to tilt and remove the entire water out, because in case the sun is not out, there are chances that the water will not evaporate, leading to root rot, and maybe the cactus may even die. And finally, you have been bold enough and you gave them a very good bath in the rain. Now, when is the next time you're going to water them again? Now, depending upon the soil, the weather, the sunshine, it may take a very long time to water them again, as long as a month also. You can just insert a thin stick to just check whether it is dry and then go ahead and water it. Well, this is all that I have compiled, because these are the points that I'm going to keep in my mind to endure the remaining of the rainy season. I hope you like them and they're useful. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.